Kuatsis ahnotimis. Tuossa me taapuup. Kai taa tawa hauen tsiifk atsema. Tsiifk aawisk ajuitimis. At tsiifk airtimis, tsiifk apaapaarsk ananatimis. Skat ja autimis. Kot ona tsi at ja tsiifk kautsanis kai taa tawa hauen tsi stru ovajast. Tawa erst ahnotimis. Kai an Thomas kuot tsi saaja trutse. Zout tsi host kuot tsi shaatse. Show me jona hopa tsi eko sku ostia tsis tsi host kuot na tiet. Himaast an host kuot tsi shaatse no. No aien eustetsa ajut. Skopista. Tsi amusni aatras kootuma. So emetotsi niu namatsanis. Tsi hauskoda tawa tsi tiet frust. Ko tawa erst ahnotimis. Shaju namati. Me jona uutse tuukai tsi tjaju aatra niitsu aatimatimis. Ats hau kojana tiu zaati o huutsani. Aina tsi kaanaitimis. Ton aktsiis aatimatimis vaikus tiitsa huutsani. Piskaarit. Tawa vaikus reit tsikana. Si oma si tjaju aatra niit. Si uutse tuukai tjaju aatra niit. Ko aarstu au ajanaat. Tsi eko etjau aatra niit. Tawa maa mesku nama. Hin asho host ahnotimis ome jona. Kutru ostia. Ko tsi eko uutse tuukai tsin iu nimasta kutruusta. Hauen tsi taatsema pa hauen tsi traujutse. At nawa ai hauen taatsema. Me jona pa hauetiu tsi tru au ajan kujan hauen tsi skau ska juutimis tika tsi tru au ajanat. Taa tsi shaenikus ahnotimis. Kai tsi hattuk enak ni waa perso truma. Kai ekuskuutu nimastat. So haus si shaa ats naa chama. Tsi huu tsi tsaast aitraku. Kai to eko merukana tsi eko tsi hima tsi kauju kai ko hei tsi uistia ani tsi outstas. Not mu interest taapats. Kai hau tsi shaawi juutimis si hau tsi staiwats. Aisena tsi staa aatitas. Upewi tsi hau shuotrans nata tsi. Tsi hei tsi uistia ani tsa. An tsi stai wakchana tsi. Amus tsi stai aatranat. Ta apa hauena stru ostia. Tse ku aasha amitrenis ahnotimis. Hauena tsi pat stru ostia. An hauena tsi iani tsi na o kutruus. Tse hai tsi kanima hau kutru otranis. Pewi hau kutru otranis. Pa hei a drutimo an hauena tsi. Tsi stru otr tsi eko. Ko shau ma ima tsi na tru nama. Hima an tsi hauen tsi shaju ajut ahnotimis. Tsatsina hau tsi ktraiwishun. Kai tawa an hauen tsi kte. Hauen tsi shaju ajut. Ma me tok au nama. Shau to tsi me jonan iu nama tsanis. Tsa mahati tseo tsi kai aatrani. Tsa mahati tseo tsi stitrani. An me jona hauena. Kujatsima upewi. Kujatsima ninero. At sitjaim si. Draiwe kutruusat. Sto iu nama tsanis kutruus me jona. Pa hauena. Na chama tsi eko hauena tsi tru ostia. Ko kaime ahnotimis maa me tosha einikuja. Paas rutsin itran kutruus nuijo hauena taatsema. Paas kai maa mut hauen nauna. Hau zi nai watch sa kutru sa tjana. Pa ko kai skuto nima sa me iona to chayus ek anas. Ma me to me iona zi kai kanashiani. Toi as ia sa aini koia. Pa kai me pa zi kutru. Pa kai nauna hau zi e kut ai watch. Et etsek hatsana hau zi skawus ka iutim si shayos. Shayos chana zi. Zi hau eni ultra kutru truma. Kai me iona ai nakzi shu atia drani to uyu kai zesh executive orders eniach. Me iona ai nakzi katia drani. Kats hem ana ko he et hau nakzi naiwach shrusach. Pa kai me iona zi uyu hima uza to kai zi chitran as ahano timish. Ko kai me zi no you hau a barshus ka mani barsh kai to za tawa zesh si tru atia wani. Za zi he tawa za no. Et hau zi ni ostia kutrod manish si. An zi ni ostia kutrod ma. Kai eko na chawena etu zi. Hau na taitsi ni etseko. Kai me ano tims barshu zi drus kai it kata tuk demo kadrusach arawa kek wapu haitzi nayanish kunish zi natsi ko bewe ko haitzi stiutzip kai te kui ata kadrus et kai me barshu zi drus me yuna wa sto chayush amu nau hano tai tiu zi estawa tiu naui hano imi amu kai to zi ape zani. Za zi te mi zan hau etza niena kunishi. Toi ashia kai me barshu zi drusa kutrus. Si to tuk zi ktemun hau zi kteya zin hau dento kai me zi barshu drusa kutrus. To tiu si ka an waistim zi me zi stiu tia wana with hand sanitizer kai me trus me iuna tru outran trus to zi to kai zi barshu he zi barshu zi shu outran da kai me hano tims pa kai me barshu trus barshu zi itran at me iuna tawa zi house did trus zi na chawena it's na hat karait. Do show you number zanish tawa house dead fruits za hat zi quishku outran za hat zi quika aitrani. Zi amogai sha hanotim stai algotu sha hanotim sta amutia mark zi we shu. Me iona ba amu traumas si tene traumas ko amu mas outran is near house si try one tani nitzi. Amo matzina yaut tanita shusego. Shri nisa zego. New artimisha cruz amo tiam akza emish. Hawezi amo stantaro ti haweta amo tiam hawezi ze. Emedo zego. Ba amo si triatrano. Ewa kai ni wa pesho mato emich ayush tai algo tiu. Shro Diag at citra amoto zi ape zan sha hano titemish. Ewa ju amo ta hospital zi diach. Kai naui amo sha hano titemish. Sar tai du zi emish. Hau tiam ak zi emish. Mig amo kai hau arawa kek zi wapu hait hau zi. Hima zi kai to amo zi wape zani to chayush. Ta apa kai me house try watan kunitsi. Tawa zi ni ultra so manish hawinam zi dinia ni uchana gursach. Za hati zi kausi ni ultra so manish ka ka maz karsten. Et anezi tawa zi yuko temo kursi yuko temo shus haupa. Ta amo pa pa amo hosti na try wata ni zi to amo dio gat sitra wa amo sha hando timis hatsa ia kai amo to zi wa pe zan wa sho kai ku yu kai tra kan ho han ish or some estan alco community academy na haya zi za ashana she amo ai ko tani hatsa hat ia to chayo zi wa pe zan to ya shi sa hando timis emekai ai za ashana zi go mi emina hat na hayas da wat ist hauna koponi sna at agus naistom est gus iat da apa kai me at si try up no try up en ko haitsi ni bet or truth kai ko ai department of education ne was kai sta nit ko truth ko ai ko tan kai you hat to na ai chua tan ai ustom est tan ni dig kai ke ne was kai sta nit ko truth o bet au ni tran ko truth haitsi sich jetzt eift ko haitsi o mas struaz ko shaier stemis o mas stuaz emetot az ba hos how et day az ko try was gaits nit ewa to kai me yona how could you from public safety department a fire department EMS kai me yona test kai at kai etu te kui ata kutrus no yo zi test ni trash kuno etu zo te kui te kutrus kai tawa za zi hekoma zos kuno isk hati estawa hekota zi zos kuno te zos kuno to es zos kuno kai tawa za zi chamish sai ka aidrani zi test ultrani kai to tawa za pa ku kai skuto ni masat mi kawe estawa tu etmo zi tu zi zuatsu ya das to hano zua pe zani to chayus to shia kai to tu kai zi tawa za zi test sti trano ta pa kai me zi chi trano sa hano timish ewa to na hayas tamiko Duke at Maitan at Zitra Hona Kopuni Ye Roni Sheets to na hayas Roni Sheets 29th Kai Iwa How Did You Casino Clinic Nitra Go Vaccination Clinic Iat Diana Kashait Ta Patch Gats Ishk Zitra Kashait Ta Patch where 5 to 11-year-olds vaccinate ne atran e gursa from gayuz amastunat stier siu ko mi emit chama e haun na koponi ai vaccinate ne atran na gursa ba kai me etsi ko etsi skaier stem si vaccinate ne atran ne strusa ba etu zi try truth ko ka haitsi ni beta wa truth kai ne was kai tsani ta truth fra health command kai to ga numbers 552-5145 kai ne was kai tsani ta truth haitsi ni beta wa truth ach ewa sho mi to nachwen ta wa ju hau na koponi December 2nd, Zikto boosters, Pfizer booster vaccinations, ewa regular vaccination, aitra, go Zikto how did you, casino, han ish, et doa, gayu 9:30, hon na kupuni, to ju ora, te kursa, 11:30 ham, kai si how yam zana vaccinate kti trana kai etu te truth ewa to a booster zaniach to booster shot et where 18 year and older stiano itek ta vaccinate ni atra kutro manis booster shot nia. Da apa eme hawetsi try up en kai me. Da ast ahanu temis kai watuk en ksi etze chakaka tuk en ksi shawape. Kai haitsi mina Newton nimas trus ko za ai hatsi from a tawanat. Kai to en nius kaitsa ni hima ne was kaitsa ni ta jo drumas regular number says 552-6604 koto wa if health command 552-5145 kai me si yewi masho tsa ni ta kutro drumas si ko haitsi ubet awetsi kutro ultranish da asa anu temish kai hima kai watuk en ksi shawa pe ba me etsi et strus atsi me yo na kai me e pa strus strus no yo pa strus I tranat me kai si tawa tai yu ko si tem strus si ko kai tawa etsi ko kai tawa si kait tar spato stu so ata etu kai hima to amo si wa pe zanish mir vaccinate sai a tranish Demish tzazi shu imam etzi tzi ovar sach tzadars et tawazi yuku tiet zembers tzahati amuzi zi kuki shao zi kaiki shao eme eto ta akai shku nama mo eme amu tawazi tawar sis zi otitas zi hawa nama da ars anga temista ewa to hima kai utstra kani hawa hana ustom erstani kawai kdu ai high school kaistom erstanish hanetik au amerikanish to katsani good hello Acoma people again good to reconnect with you with this short video today and I know that most of my message has been in Acoma, but I encourage you all to ask for interpretation if you didn't have full understanding of what I conveyed. Just want to quickly in English just recap and basically stressing giving gratitude for all that we have been blessed with by the Creator, including the recent moisture, much needed recent moisture, and I hope that we continue to receive moisture here in the coming days. But let's be grateful for coming this far with the sun. We're almost there, reaching the southernmost point of the sun's travel, and preparing for the beginning of a new year and a new cultural cycle that we all hope and pray we can re-engage more intimately in the coming year. And I also gave thanks to all of you for continuing to adhere to the executive order, to doing your parts and making the sacrifices that you have to ensure that you and your families are safe, and we encourage you to continue to follow all the precautions. Be extra careful, especially during this holiday season. I reiterated that we have a 10-person limit for gatherings. Please adhere to that. I know it's hard because we have such extended families, and we all want to gather together, but please be very careful and stay within that 10-person limit. My family is, we're going to, I think, eat in 2 different shifts just so that we, have, meet that or don't even exceed that 10-person limit. So do your best, and remember to wash your hands, wear your masks, even indoors with family, especially those who might be visiting from afar. Use the hand sanitizer. Take those precautions that you have been doing all this time. That's all we're asking. We have had an increase in cases. We're currently at 20 positive cases on the reservation. We have 2 of our travel members who are hospitalized. So I've asked you to also offer prayers for them, for their speedy recoveries and their complete recoveries without any complications. So please, let's all do our part to protect each other and pray for each other during this time. Also, I announced that there's on Monday a vaccination clinic for children 5 years to 11 years old. You can contact our health command if you have any questions concerning that clinic on Monday, and the clinic's going to take place from 12 in the afternoon until 3 p.m. You can call 552-5145 for additional information. And then on December 2nd, there's an adult vaccination clinic from 9:30 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. And this one is a regular vaccination, first dose or second dose of the Pfizer. And it's also a Pfizer booster vaccination clinic, only for 18 years and older. The booster is available for only those 18 years and older, so please understand that. And then I also am encouraging all of us to take advantage of the testing that's available at either the fire department here on the travel lands or at ACL Hospital. Especially if you've traveled out of state or you have had known contact with someone who is positive. Please take the precaution and just make it general practice to get tested. And currently, test results are turned over pretty quickly. My last test, and the travel administration, our last test we took, we got results like the next day. So it's pretty quick turnaround for testing. So we're encouraging all of you to continue to test in those situations. And then finally, I just want to congratulate all of our students for, doing the best jobs that they can. It was great when travel administration went out to the schools to visit our students. The only students we haven't spoken to yet are those in the Albuquerque public school system, and I hope that we'll have an opportunity before the Christmas break to do that. But we were able to see some of our students, and it was such a great time to see the kids. Finally, it's been so long. And I would just want to congratulate all our students for really working extra hard during this time and following precautions, and doing really well in school. We've had some really great reports back from the schools, and for those students who might be struggling, this COVID experience has been very challenging for our kids, and so we want to make sure that also through our behavioral health services and ACL also offer counseling and assessments, mental health assessments for children and adults. So if any of us are having a hard time, please reach out. Don't just let it go. Our emotional and spiritual health is very important, and so I encourage you all to take advantage of the resources that are there. And in the school system as well, they offer counseling and other services for our children. The Behavioral Health Services and Health and Wellness Department here also have a COVID recovery group that meets every Tuesday at 5 o'clock. So if you'd like information, reach out to them and join those discussions. And it's a great time just to share whatever you might be feeling about this time of COVID. And to hear from each other. It's a very private and very open space and safe space for expressing those feelings. So kaime është anë tim sa si shtiwish tiano koma much si trano trano kaime bash mit no you see hima don't take it upon yourself to just leave it. It's ertratsi kutrus hoetsi teats kutrus hoetsi umats tapach eme hoetsi hima teats kutrus si nibet ona kutrus koa si umats neu atranit hima neu atranita kutrumasi ta akaime eme si en itrana kutrus. So but back to the students, I also want to say congratulations to our athletes, our fall athletes, football, cross country, the Laguna Acoma High School volleyball team. We had great news of that success, the first time ever 2A state volleyball champions. That was awesome. So congratulations to all of our athletes. Great that you could participate and re-engaged in the sport programs at the school. So keep up the great work, students. You're doing a great job. And Alco Community Academy kids, hang in there for about a week and a half at home, virtual learning. You'll be able to come back to school soon. And families, hang in there as well. I know it's a tough time, especially those parents who are working, grandparents who are left to be the teachers, siblings who are acting as teachers at home. I know it takes a toll, but hang in there, Drumash. You all will be available to come back to school and finish out the fall term until the Christmas break. I also want to wish the best of luck to some of our runners, our Acoma runners and the running clubs that exist here. I believe the U.S. ATF national meet is coming up. So if you're traveling out there, please be safe. Be safe at the meet, take care of yourselves, follow precautions, and have a good race, good competition. So I wish all of you the best of luck in those competitions. And finally, I just want to wish every one of my administration, First Lieutenant Governor Pearson Sayo, Second Lieutenant Governor Bernard Lewis, our Tribal Secretary Davey Maley, our Tribal Interpreter Patrick Ortiz, and our Head Sheriff Myron Histia, our Second Sheriff Mr. Salvador. I can never remember his first name, but our Second Sheriff Mr. Salvador, Ryan Salvador. And our staff here, we extend our best wishes for a very happy Thanksgiving. Be happy, remain strong, and let's all remain optimistic and look forward to those better days. They are coming, and we're experiencing that already. But let's continue to pray and give thanks to the Creator and our spirits for bringing us along this far and taking care of us. So I extend that to all of you and really appreciate the support and prayers that you've offered us during this year. We're looking forward to fulfilling our terms and to resuming our lives. And I just ask that you continue to offer the new administration with the same support and the same respect that you have shown us. We greatly appreciate it. So taas no temis you etseto ma de masha school kai to see shay it's cool show up ta me yo na krostia ba ho en te ba no emin ai na este za ayu to scopes tai as you school kayus as no how it is ta pup ti uit needs emi parsek no emika ia nika tsats ka timika aitsat hem etsi anish bars exi straiwa ya ni he anya hawena si traiwa you tawena si tiarskam stiu shapum etsa hawena si straight trash etsa si atunish hopa da asa anu tims hopa amurs shayat kaimas da am hopa amosho truma da bars exi anya taistiu si trostia tawa si straight trash hopa. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.